Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at the new JBL wireless headphone. It is called Tune 215 TWS, and it is going to be a pure bass zero cable earbuds. It is around $89.99, so let's say £90. You have four colors, my bad. You have four colors: black, white, pink, and gray. As you look, it's have a very different look to the older models. If you've seen the video before. If you haven't, I leave the link below. 25 hours of battery, 5 hours on the earbuds, 24 hours on the case. So you have stereo controls on the earbuds. So you have a left and right for audio control, so left and right. On the left you have, so you can go forward and go back to your old songs. The right you have a phone call, pause and play. That's all the things come in the box. So as you see, that is the look. Comfortable earfit, hand-free stereo call, USB-C for charging, 15 minutes of charge. You have 1 hour of playtime, and you have 5 hours on the earbuds and 20 hours on the case. It's supporting Bluetooth 5.0, so definitely a much better connectivity. Very neat presentation. So nothing is in the box. Let me put the box aside. Let's go through this small thing first. USB-A to USB-C. So ear tips, you have one medium and one large. Going to be the small one on the earbuds. So very stringy with the earbuds options. Quick starter guide. What's in the box? Earbuds left and right, and how to wear them. First time use. So put the earbuds together and turn them on. Connect. Bluetooth. So how to reconnect, how to do that. So phone call left and right, have the lights. Yeah, just a simple user guide. Warranties, technical guide and warranty, and yeah, customer satisfactions. Let's all that let's put that aside. Let's go to the earbuds. Definitely a very different feel to the case. So first of all, the case is feel very much of a box rather than a old school round case. If you've seen the Zebra 75Ts, how the box look, it's pretty much exactly the same, but it's slightly bigger, and USB-C for charging, and you have the lights and earbuds left and right. Tough, so it's not only that, the case doesn't go back suddenly, so it's quite nice. So now we're going to look at the earbuds. First of all, is a very light earbud, so very small earbuds. It's not much on the size, so it's very light. I don't think you will feel the weight. Lights on the top to indicate the connections. Buttons, quite nice, so it doesn't make any flicky sounds on it. So mics, and that's going to be left. So that's how your earbuds will look. Slightly bigger on your pockets if you want to put them in, but other than that, it's a very light earbud, so it's not that big of a case. So now we're going to connect. So now we're going to go and listen to songs. Let me put the left and the right, so you can have it and listen to the other side. Pause and play, perfectly fine. Just listen to the songs. The bass is really good. So far no delays. So let me put the volume down. Again, there is no volume control on the earbud, so you need to use your mobile phone. So let me use that. So when you put that in like around 50, it's quite low on the volume. So you need to boost up. It's quite loud. Hey guys, this is the audio from the earbuds JBL 215. Hope you guys are able to hear the audio without any distortion or without too much noise. So hope you guys are able to hear them properly. So far no delays. So now we're gonna go to YouTube and watch a video. So now I'm gonna just watch one of my video so I don't get a copyright claim. So this is the one I'm unboxing, a JBL Flip 5 speaker. So far no delays. So we're gonna watch a small episode of Seinfeld to make sure we don't get any delays. That is hilarious from Creamer. So far no delays. No distortions. So sounds good. No delays. So far no delays, no distortion. With the audio, I really like the earbuds. It's very small, it's very comfortable in the ears. I would put a pictures how it's look in your ears. Really good audio, no delays or no distortion with it. But there's a few things I do expect that JBL to do. First of all, no wireless charging. I'm a bit disappointed. Again, it's around £90. You can't expect too much for £90. But audio is really good. I would love to have wireless charging. They did not add that to their app, so they haven't add these earbuds to their JBL Connect app. So I don't really understand why not. All of the new earbuds, they're supposed to be adding them to the earbuds. They only seem to having adding like the most expensive earbuds. That's the one thing I'm a bit disappointed in JBL. Other than that, audio is really good. So if you're gonna use it for day to day, or even if you want to use it for sports, they're perfectly fine, and they are not IP rated. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below if you like the earbuds, and if you have any question about this earbuds, let me know. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.